Okay, here is our modified renegade row. So renegade row is when you're in a plank and you're alternating lifting up one hand from the dumbbell with the dumbbell into a row. So instead of being in a full plank, we're just going to be on our hands and knees here. Okay, so you, as always, want to make sure that you're not locking out your elbows. If you're someone who's hypermobile, you know, you're soft through those, that your head's not dropping forward, that it's on your body, and you're in this nice, you know, head to tail, not sticking your tush out, not tucking it under. That spine is in a nice diagonal line. So you're going to be here, and what you're going to do is you're going to press down into one as you disengage and lift up the opposite one like a row, and then you come back down underneath you. So press into one, lift up, that elbow just slides back towards the body and down. So you just are trying to stay nice and steady through your trunk and core. You're trying to minimize as much shifting as possible. That's the beauty of this exercise. You're working on your core and trunk stability while you're engaging your shoulder blade muscles to strengthen them. And you're just alternating, making sure your breath is flowing. You're not holding your breath. Nice and easy. Really use your arms. This is you're using the force that you're putting through your arms to generate stability through your trunk, okay, which is very, very, very important, and nice and slow and steady. So I always tell folks, this is this exercise just in a different position. So it's, if you can do a row at your side where your elbows are just, you know, bent and skimming and your shoulder blades are drawing back together a little bit, you know, you're not putting your chest out, you're just letting your shoulder blades glide on your rib cage towards each other and then back. Okay, so it's this exercise one at a time, but you're just in this position. Okay, so if you could kind of wrap your head around that, that's how you're going to do this modified renegade row. Now, you can progress this, again, still not in a full plank, but you can let your knees go behind you a little bit. Okay, so you're in this modified plank now. Okay, and the same thing. You can, now I like to have my toes up on this one, but you can lift and come back down, and you're trying to minimize, there's going to be a weight shift. You're going from 4 points to 3, but you're trying to minimize how much you're shifting. If you feel like that's too much, you can widen your knees and lift up, okay? If you feel like you're shifting way too much, okay? That just helps out with your stability.